We went on a field trip to the wild animal park. There's zebras. Zebras are mammals because they have live birth and they're warm blood. Those are giraffes. Those are camels. Camels are mammals too.
Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning. In the beginning, man gave names.
Now we're going in the lion's cage.
In the beginning, a long time ago.
Those are lions.
He saw an animal that liked
Lions are sleepy animals.
big furry paws and he liked to howl. Great big furry back and furry hair. I think I'll call it a bear.
Those are tigers. All the animals we've seen so far are mammals.
Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning.
That's a bus
A long time ago.
with all mammals inside.
Animal up on the hill, chewing up so much grass until she.
There's a white tiger.
He saw milk coming out, but he didn't know how. He said, I think I'll call it a cow.
We're watching the seal show. Seals are mammals too.
In the beginning, in the beginning.
That's a bird. That is not a mammal.
In the beginning, a long time ago, he saw an animal that liked to snort. Horns on his head and they weren't too short. And it looked like there was nothing.
Sun bears love to beg for food.
He said, I think I'll call it a
When you go by ringtails, remember to keep your food safe, because if you don't, guess what will happen? You'll lose your food.
Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning.
They'll grab it right out of your hands. Here I'm feeding them and they're being nice to me.
A real dirty face and a curly tail.
A panda's a mammal
He
too.
wasn't too big. He said, I think I'll call it a pig. Man gave
This is a macaw or a parrot. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'm sure it's not a mammal. It's a bird.
Man gave names to all the animals in the beginning.
Monkeys are silly.
Next animal that he did meet had wool on his back and hooves on his feet.
Lions are scary.
Eating grass on a mountainside so steep. He said, I'm gonna call that one a sheep.
Elephants are big.
Man gave names to all the animals.
Me and David are climbing on a gorilla. Don't worry, it's not real. Because why would we be climbing on it if it was real? This is Miss Nuri and Jessica under a giraffe. Again, not real. These are black swans. They are birds too.
Through the grass.
I hope you like my field trip. Here's my stuffed animal that I got at the gift shop named Silly, the tiger.